Working with color palettes and have a PALPKG file to install, these are packaged color palette collections for design software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to import and use these palette package files. Just a heads up, the best strategy against tricky PALPKG errors is having a dedicated viewing program. I'll reveal more about my favorite tool towards the end. PALPKG files are palette package files containing collections of color palettes for graphics and design applications. They package multiple palettes with metadata, color values, and organization information for distribution and installation in design software. PALPKG files typically use a zip-based archive format containing individual palette files in formats like ASE ACO or proprietary formats with metadata describing palette names, color organization, and application compatibility following the originating software specification. Guaranteed access to PALPKG files is typically achieved using Adobe Photoshop from Adobe. Dedicated software is required to correctly unpack and rebuild the file structure. Windows shows basic previews for common design files, while detailed editing must be done in design applications. Let's start the elimination process. Right-click your PALPKG file, then click Open With. Try Adobe Photoshop first, and if that fails, immediately test the next application in the list. When your PALPKG file does not open, it is usually a small issue. The file is winning so far. Time to fight back. Let's quickly run through a series of focused tests on these common PALPKG failure areas. First, importing in design software. Open your design application such as Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, or Affinity Designer and use the swatches or palette panel import function. Browse to the PALPKG file and import the contained palettes which become available in the swatches library for design work. Next, extracting the package. Rename the PALPKG file extension to .zip and extract using 7-zip or your operating system's archive tool. The extracted contents reveal individual palette files in standard formats like ASE that can be imported separately into various design applications. Finally, installing for all applications. For system-wide palette availability, place extracted palette files in the appropriate Adobe or design software palette directory. Restart the application to register new palettes. Each application has specific palette folder locations documented in its preferences for shared color libraries. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.